Razor sharp in 1 minute. Every household needs this, but no one does it. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever wondered, should you sharpen a knife horizontally or vertically? Should you use a whetstone or some other tool for the best results? Don't worry. Today, I'll reveal a super simple trick that requires no professional skills. In just 2 minutes, a dull knife will be as sharp as new. It's truly convenient. Anyone can do it. Cooking 3 meals a day all year round, it's inevitable that knives get dull. And anyone who's used a dull knife knows, ingredients are hard to cut. It wastes time, and the dish loses flavor and aesthetic appeal. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. A simple example. When cutting ginger, tomatoes, or cucumbers, if the knife isn't sharp, the ginger slices will be uneven and rough, not appealing at all. To make a dish perfect in color, aroma, and taste, the knife must be really sharp, and the cuts must be precise. Even better, today's method doesn't require spending money on sharpening services or buying a whetstone. It also helps remove rust effectively, making the knife shiny and sharp like new. Let's discover this clever trick together right now. I guarantee you'll be surprised and keep using it forever. First, prepare a bit of toothpaste and squeeze about 3 centimeters onto the blade of the knife. Then, get a soft bristle toothbrush. Spread the toothpaste evenly over the knife blade. Besides having surfactants that increase shine, toothpaste also contains a special compound called silver coating agent, which provides great friction. When used to sharpen a knife, the effectiveness doubles. Just spread it evenly like that. Set the knife aside. Next, grab a ceramic bowl or plate from your kitchen with a rough bottom surface. Turn it upside down like this. The raised bottom part has a rough surface and is very hard. Next, add a little salt to the bottom of the bowl. Then add a little white vinegar. Use your finger to stir well and then spread it evenly on the bottom of the bowl, the place used to sharpen the knife. Table salt has the effect of activating the steel. Vinegar helps to soften. This way, sharpening the knife will be much easier. After that, start sharpening the knife. Place the blade close to the edge of the bottom of the bowl. Apply even force in one direction. Do not move it back and forth. Note: do not rub it back and forth, as uneven force can damage the blade, especially for beginners. One key difference from a whetstone is that you need to hold the knife at a certain angle. If placed flat, you'll only be grinding the side, not the edge. The ideal angle is just enough to fit one finger under the knife blade. Sharpen it evenly for about 2 to 3 minutes. After sharpening one side, flip and sharpen the other in the same way. Find the right angle and comfortable posture. Choosing the angle is just like before, only the grip changes. Dear friends, making videos isn't easy. Every comment, like, or follow from you is a big motivation for me. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button. Thank you. Next, wipe the knife clean with a cloth. Doesn't the blade look much shinier than before? To check if the knife is properly sharpened, hold the tip of the knife at eye level. If you see a straight line without distortion, it's good. If you see any bulging areas, continue sharpening that side. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now try slicing a tomato or piece of ginger to test. After sharpening, the knife should easily cut ginger into ultra-thin slices with a smooth surface and no burrs. Looks great. Cutting ginger is the easiest way to test a knife's sharpness. If the knife is sharp, the ginger slice is smooth like jade. If dull, the ginger slice will have burrs. When the knife is sharp, cutting becomes easy, your mood improves, and your dishes come out more beautiful and delicious. So once you learn this trick, you'll never worry about having a dull knife with nowhere to sharpen it. However, even a sharp knife that is dirty, old, and rusty is still unsafe for food prep, a common headache. Next, I'll show you how to remove rust from a knife. Hope it helps. First, place the knife in a tub or container. Pour some white vinegar over the blade. Then sprinkle a bit of baking soda on top. The vinegar penetrates the knife and holds the baking soda in place. Then wrap the knife blade tightly with a paper towel to keep the mixture in contact. Pour a bit more vinegar onto the paper towel. This boosts the chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda. Do the same for both sides of the knife. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Leave it for about 10 minutes, the chemical reaction will take place. Baking soda has strong cleaning power, and vinegar softens and cleans the surface. This method is especially effective for removing rust. Vinegar reacts with the rust, iron oxide, and breaks it down. After soaking, you can easily wipe off the rust. Now remove the paper towel and use a soft bristle brush to gently scrub. In just moments, the knife will shine like new. To avoid scratching the knife, don't use steel wool or sandpaper. Use a soft cloth or sponge for cleaning. With this method, you first soften the grime, then gently scrub. No need to worry about damaging the knife. Finally, rinse the knife with water. Wow, the results are truly amazing. The before and after is night and day. As the saying goes, to do a good job, one must first sharpen their tools. To cook delicious food, the knife must be sharp and easy to handle. A dull, dirty knife not only ruins the look of your ingredients, but is also unsanitary, making the final dish less appetizing. Today's method solves the problem thoroughly, turning a dull knife into one that's sharp and shiny like new. Also, after washing the knife, be sure to dry it. Avoid storing it in damp places. Don't keep it in sealed containers. Use a breathable rack to prevent rust from moisture or impact. Storing the knife in a dry, well-ventilated place significantly reduces rust risk. Here's a small tip. You can stick the blade into a bowl of dry rice. Rice naturally absorbs moisture, removing any remaining water from the knife, preventing oxidation and rust. This method is especially useful during the rainy season or in humid environments. That's the small tip for sharpening knives today. Did you get it? If you found it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends. The more people we can help, the better. There's a new video every day. Don't forget to follow me. See you next time.